If you had given me an axe head of hard density, I would have ground it to a fine point. Here we have, as clearly as obstinance can show, my particular insanity. And I tensile stand, waiting to fall, learning to swim. Oh, silver, chromium bridge over the northern river. Oh, Niagara, subtle ballet of the mind. I hang on thee, as south water falls and smoothly ripples the delicate skin. Fears the blue eyesight from the sockets of my cold brain. I lean on thee in my delusion, calm, and deep is the sleep which I feel, caressing my dreams as a plum-limbed Sophia.
Quack, quack.